Hi neighbors, welcome back to another episode of Ponderosa Garden Adventures. So Sharon and I are on a project back in the front yard getting things tidied up. This is an area we call the keyhole garden because it's round and it has an entrance, so it's keyhole shaped and it has a really nice fountain that we love here. So what I'm trying to do is clear the path today. Again, I'm out trimming bushes, trimming hedges, and I really just want to get like these big, huge branches that are sticking out. This is a skyflower. Makes these beautiful purple flowers and also these little yellow uh, berries, and we just pull those off. They're not edible. So it's actually holding up really nice shape. We kind of like the shape it is. I just want to get these branches that are hanging out over the pathway here so we can get through. And then over here, so over here is the desert gold peach, and the same thing. We have just a few branches here hanging. Actually, they're starting to get higher, so this is not an issue. Oh, somebody came through and cut these off already, so this part's already taken care of. I'm just going to get this branch or two here, but somebody came along and got very neatly, so this won't take long at all. So this should go very quickly. Most of these branches are coming off this one branch, so I don't expect this to take long. We'll get this taken care of quickly, and then we can move on. Oops. I forgot to hit record. I already cut off a couple of branches. As you can see, most of these branches are coming off with just one or two branches. So this is not going to take long at all. I'm going to get this one up here on top too. The whole thing. That looks good. Now we're talking. Let's get a little bit more of this up. There we go. now you can see the flowers, and these are the little yellow berries that it makes, but they're not edible. They're kind of pretty though. And at the end of the season, we just want to cut all that off. But for now, we're just trying to clear the path. There we go. That'll do it. I think we got it.
So high, feet on the ground, but I still get by. The rules were made for someone else to try, but not me, not me. They said slow down, son, take your time, but I was born running every stop sign. Sky is the limit, no chance to hold.
All right, well, we are done for the day. I think I've accomplished what we were trying to do. We've cleared this path along here and over along here, so we can get started on filling in the actual pathway. We want to plant some stuff around here and set these stones and stuff, so that'll come next, all in good time. In the meantime, thanks for watching Ponderosa Garden Adventures. Like, subscribe, leave a comment below, and we'll see you next time.